Hello viewers, welcome back. In this video, we'll discuss how to check the diagnostic buffer in the PLC. Sometimes the error happen but you cannot find what's happened in the PLC. Sometimes because of that error your PLC is stop mode or some function, some program is not working. That types of error you can find in the PLC error buffer. Okay, to check the buffer alarm you have to select the PLC. From here you have to select the diagnostic setting. Okay, now I am clicking on the module information. You can check the buffer from hardware diagnostic also. Okay, so I will check by from that hardware diagnostic also. For now I am selecting the module information. Okay, it will open a new window. See, it's open a new window. I have connected my laptop to a PLC. It's not a simulation, it's directly connected to a PLC. It's running, it's a sub control system of our process. Okay, see, it's a diagnosis buffer. Click on that. Okay, now module is okay. Here you can see the IO access error. Okay, that because of we have disconnected our Profibus connection, that this sub control PLC is connected to our master PLC. So yesterday in our preventive maintenance time we have checked the connection, so that's why we have removed. So that alarm is came today. Is you can see that 16, but this alarm came yesterday. Okay, so here is you can see the memory, load memory, work memory or retentive memory. Okay, also you can see the scan cycle time, how much time it's taking the scanning or execution the program in one cycle. Okay, so retentive memory. Okay, now I'll show again by the hardware diagnosis. Okay, hardware diagnosis required sometimes like you have CPU plus and other module, Profibus module 8200S, something like that. So from that time you need to check the other module information. So you have to go to hardware diagnosis. Okay, thank you.